you, baby. Go sleepies. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a little bit of a different video. I'm going to do a bit of a self-care and kind of pamper routine. Today I'm having a bit of a tough day. And I wasn't going to share, I wasn't going to talk about it, but you know what? I'm going to be completely real and completely honest. I promised myself that I wouldn't be all like sunshine and rainbows. My mom used to call me Pollyanna. And I'd be honest with you. So, I don't know. I think that these uncertain times and a couple things in my life, especially career-wise, have just become final. Some big decisions have been made, which I absolutely agree with and I'm totally on board with. But I can still be sad about it. I can still be upset. I think it's just the uncertainty and the anxiety. And you know, when you sit and you think and then you let your mind wander, and then I try and fortune tell, and I've kind of worked myself up into this tizzy where the sky is falling. And that's not who I am. That's not how I was raised. And I need to get my mind and myself back in check. So I just put Ava down to bed, and I figured that I would take you guys along with a self-care and pamper routine. I refuel myself by solitude sometimes. You know, I grew up and I was an only child, and I think because of that, I do like moments of quiet. I do like to take a bath or to read a book or to do yoga and just sit quietly. I love journaling. So I thought that I would really get myself back on track and focus in on me for a night, because if I'm not taking care of myself, then I'm no good to anybody, especially to that little girl of mine. If you're new to my channel, my name is Angela. I do videos on all things to do with mommy and lifestyle. I have a little girl who's 3 years old. Her name is Ava. So I'm going to take some time. I'm going to have a bubble bath, a mask. I'm going to journal. I might pour a cocktail. I might watch like a chick flick. Then it's early to bed for me. So I hope this inspires you all to take care of yourselves and to be kind to yourselves. So this is how I unwind, and this is how I'm going to get myself back on track. It is 8:40 and I just got out the bath and Mirek just came to get me because look guys, it's a double rainbow. So if that's not a sign that everything's going to work out and everything is going to be okay, I don't know what is. Hey, that's my mom and dad telling me to always look on the bright side of the rainbow. What did I just say? Alright guys, I'm listening. Wow! I haven't journaled in a really long time, and I used to be so good at it. I find journaling a way to get everything that's on my mind out. Because that's what happens at night. I lay there in bed at night, and I think, and I come up with problems that don't exist, or I worry about things that are totally out of my control. So if I journal, I get them out my mind. I feel way better going to bed then. One other thing that I do that is really important is I also write down what I'm grateful for. And I think that I need to start making this a habit. Maybe I should start waking up earlier in the morning and writing down everything that I'm grateful for. And starting the day off with a grateful heart and a grateful mind, I think will really set me up for success. But for tonight, I'm going to go to bed with a grateful heart and a grateful mind. And you just saw that double rainbow outside, so that's a sign everything's gonna be okay. Mom and Dad, I know you're looking down on me, and I have the most amazing family. That little girl is a blessing. She's an absolute angel. And when she wants to listen to Baby Shark for the 500th time, or she wants to go outside again, or she wants to have another tea party, you know what? Life is pretty great. So I'm gonna get all my worries and all my problems out of my mind and into this journal. Okay guys, my movie is over and it is time for this Cinderella to hit the hay. I am tired, I feel calm, I feel like I have a grateful heart. I've got everything out in my journal. I'm just feeling better, and it's raining out, so I think that I am guaranteed to have a good night's sleep, which at the end of the day is really what I need. So I hope that you're all well. Please take care of yourself. Please be kind to yourself. Love you guys. Mwah. Good night.